Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here this morning to fish with this. I got a package here from Mark Ridgway in California. I think I know what's in here. Brown Senkos, because you asked me about it. Let's get these packages open. I actually got two, and see what's in here. Let's go with this one first. It feels too flat to be fishing lures. Alex, my family and I drove through your home state about a month ago. Of course, we had to stop at the Bass Pro Shops in Memphis. California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation, Eureka. Cool, this is a neat looking patch. When I get back to the studio, I'll have to stick this up on the board. Pretty cool, thanks Mark. Alright, and we also have this package here. I have a feeling it's Brown Senkos because he sent me a message that said, when are you going to fish with the Senkos? There we go, we have 3 Senkos. We also have some, looks like rod straps, Velcro tie downs. Let's see what this letter says. Alex, what is up? I've enclosed a pair of brand new rod keepers plus 3 Yamamoto cinnamon brown Senkos. I realize you have used various color Senkos. I'm not sure if you've tried cinnamon brown. I have not tried cinnamon brown. So guess what? I'm gonna wacky rig it. Because that's what they're biting right now. Cinnamon brown. Let's see if I can get a bass on this. Time for a quick line change. That took all of about 1 minute. So I got this 1/0 wacky rig hook, weedless, the little keeper here.
It's a weed guard, not a keeper.
All right, let's get this wacky rigged on here. We'll try this first one without any O-rings, just au naturel. Here we are. We're gonna try over by these weeds first, hopefully before that guy in the boat gets there. Last time I was over here fishing a power worm, I got one off the corner of these weeds. This water's a lot higher now. Can't really use the watch the line method right now. The water's too choppy, a little too windy. I can't really get a good cast right where I want it because I'd be standing in the water. Fish. There we go. Feisty. Came off right there. Should have just horsed him up on the bank. Might have pulled the hook out that way too. Well, I almost had one. Got to keep going. I had one way out there in the mouth of the channel. I didn't get another bite since then. Let's go somewhere else. All right, drove down here to a different park. Let's do a survey. How many people would stand in front of that photographer and fish and block his shot? How many people would just leave? The second spot had a photographer taking up that whole point, so here I am. Oh, the water's a little high. I usually stand on that rock. Lucky, unlucky spot. Is it lucky or unlucky? Is that a fish or a turtle? It's a bird, cormorant. See him right there? Get out of here. Let's try down this bank. Fish. Horsing them up. Nice, got one. Oh, slipping in the mud. There he is. Hooked in the top of the roof of the mouth. Get this out of there. There we go. Nice. Largemouth bass right here. A little bit skinny, but pretty nice. Good length on him. Got a really big head. Got him on that cinnamon colored Senko sent into the show by Mark from California. Department of Corrections. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Let's let him go. Sweet. Missed that first one, but I got that one. Almost out of battery. Let's go get it changed out real quick. All right, got my new battery in. Let's see if I can get one more. Looks like it might rain. Am I satisfied or do I want one more? All right, it appears as if the photographer is gone. Let's go over there and see if I can get one real quick. It's a little windy. Hopefully I'm not getting too much noise in the mic. My line's just blowing all over into the weeds and stuff. That don't mean I can't still catch one. I'm gonna try. This is where the casting might get a little tricky. Into the wind. Fish. Got one. Stay on, buddy. These little Gamakatsu 1-aughts seem to skin hook them a lot. I got him. Nice. Yeah, can you see that in there? Barely skin hooked in the mouth. Check him out. Nice little bass. It's getting close to a pound. Nice round shape. Fat little guy. Good looking bass. Second one I landed today on the cinnamon colored Senko from Mark. Nice. All right, well that does it for today. I got 2 largemouth bass. I missed one earlier, but all in all, pretty good day. I'd like to thank Mark for sending the lures and the patch into the show. Now let's get to the studio and put that patch on the wall of fame. All right, here we go. Just like that. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.